Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Ford Focus locking wheel nuts. First, gather your tools: the locking wheel nut key, a wheel brace, and a jack. Always ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface. The locking wheel nut key is typically found in your glove box or the boot with the spare wheel kit. This preparation is crucial for a safe and efficient process. With the car still on the ground, use your wheel brace to slightly loosen all the standard wheel nuts first. This helps distribute the pressure evenly. Then, firmly attach the locking wheel nut key to the locking nut. Apply steady, counterclockwise pressure to loosen it. If it's stiff, a gentle tap on the wrench might help, but avoid excessive force. Sometimes, a locking wheel nut can be particularly stubborn or the key might be lost. If the key is missing, a garage can use specialized removal tools. For a seized nut, apply a penetrating oil and let it soak for about 15 minutes. Always prioritize safety and avoid excessive force, which could damage the wheel or the wheel studs. After loosening, you can usually unscrew the locking nut completely by hand. Once all nuts are off, carefully remove the wheel. When reinstalling, ensure the wheel is seated correctly. Hand tighten all nuts, then lower the vehicle and tighten them in a star pattern to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 135 Newton meters.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.